here is the door to our room, and I just have some paintings that I did hanging, and then we have this built-in that we just came with the house, so we just have some stuff on there, some little knick-knack things. And I just have a sheer curtain from Walmart hanging on the door just to make it so it's a little more private. And then here is an overview of our room once you walk in. So basically, the bedspread is from Walmart, and then the pillows are from Amazon, and then I made the one that's with the X's in the front. The blanket at the end is also from Walmart. Our bedside tables are from Walmart, and then the painting above our bed is actually a painting of mine. So here's a close-up of the pillows, and I will have those linked below. They're just pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and they were really inexpensive. And there's another closer look at our bedside tables. It was $20 for 2 of them, and I will have those linked below as well. And then here's my desk. The desk is from Walmart, the mirror is from Target, and then the little storage for my makeup is from Amazon. This is a dream catcher that I got as a gift for my birthday. And then this little stool is from Etsy, and I will have that linked below. The carpet that's underneath my desk is also from HomeGoods. So there was just an overview of that side of the room. And then the other side, that chair is actually from Pottery Barn. And then so the tapestry hanging is from Amazon. And then that cubby set is from Target. The rug is from Amazon. The cubbies are from Walmart. And then the clock is from Amazon. The mirror is from Michaels. And then on the that little tray, that marble tray, is from Urban Outfitters. I love the way this corner looks. I think it's so earthy and organic, but so simple. So like I said, the chair itself is from Pottery Barn, and then the cover is from Amazon. I made that tassel hanging thing and also that painting. I hope you guys enjoyed our room tour, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.